Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In EA Sports FC25, the squad battles mode has undergone changes that limit the number of matches, contributing to weekly rewards. Here's why you might not be receiving points. First, match limits for points. Only the first 12 matches per week count towards your squad battles ranking and rewards. After completing these 12 matches, additional games won't contribute points, though you can still play them to complete objectives or progress in evolutions. Second, refresh system changes. Previously, players could refresh their squad battles opponent up to 7 times. In FC25, this has been reduced to 3 refreshes. If you refresh without playing all 4 matches in a set, those unplayed matches are counted as played, potentially leading to fewer opportunities to earn points. You can fix this by monitoring matches played. Keep track of your completed matches to ensure you're within the 12 match limit for earning points, and you can plan refreshes carefully. Avoid refreshing your opponent list before playing all available matches to maximize your point earning potential. So, this was about why no points are awarded in squad battles on EA FC25. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.